Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Mazda Neo Sedan, stock reference number 3856. The shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF, 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre LF, 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and the rear. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door also has one small dent, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Unfortunately nothing on the rear end has survived the accident. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. It's an automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.